Hello friends, and welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. Today I'm going to discuss with you one of my most favorite tools that I purchased about 2 years ago, 23 months to be exact, and this is the AirHawk Pro. We purchased that in January 2018 and we have used it since then on a weekly, if not more frequent basis. And I'm happy to report that this device has held up very well. If you want to watch the original first look video, please go to the link above and you're going to be able to see both the first impressions and now the final review video. If today is your first time visiting with us, I want to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to view any of our over 400 videos that we've arranged for your pleasure in playlists. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. So stick around and see what are our final thoughts for this device. Our final thoughts for this device even. Unlike many products that they overpromise and underdeliver, I think the AirHawk is one of the best tire inflators that you can buy in the market, and in under $40 it's a great bargain as well. There are a couple of things that I really like about the Air Pro. Among them is that the connection to the car is actually a type that you screw versus a pressure one, that makes it easy to put in virtually every type of ring, and also it comes with onboard attachments, as you can see here, a very easy on-off switch, a battery that is rechargeable, and also a battery, not a battery, but a way to power it from the cigarette lighter of your car, which is actually a very great concept and allow you to get more use, or if you forget your battery and you forget to charge it, you also have a way to power the device without having to worry about it too much. I don't know how well this is viewable, but you can set the focus, or not. But you can set, in our case we're going to set it for 32, and this is 32 psi, and when you start the device it will stop at 32.5, allowing you for removing the device and still staying on your target temperature. The device is reasonably loud, but not extremely so. I don't know if you can hear me over the device, but you can be next to it and we are indoors and you can still tolerate it without much difficulty. So what are the positives, what are the negatives of this? I cannot make this very clear for some reason. Let's see. Well, I'm sorry, I don't know why I cannot. There. That is better. In reality, this is a very easy to read LED, so backlit little display, and display only the relevant information, like what measurement you have, and that can switch between PSI, HPAs, and atmospheres. The most common, of course, will be PSI. So you select PSI, and then you select it goes to 0, and then you select it starts at 30, and you can go up or down and select the level of pressure you want for your tires, and that's where it's going to set it on. It also has a nice LED light that is very nicely positioned and actually points to the stem of your tire, and thus allows you to control your environment and see exactly where you're going to put where exactly you're going to make the connection with the device. Overall, a great design for this little device. Overall, the device is very well made, as you can see. It is all plastic, but has been very durable. We almost have it for 2 years, as I said before, 23 months. So we have gotten a lot of use. I would say we definitely use it monthly, at least once a month, if not more. We have had no reliability problems. We had no issues with controlling the device, and no issues with the device leaving us stranded at any point. It is a very good investment, and by far the best air inflator that I have purchased. One negative of this device is that if your tire is completely flat, it will not inflate it, or at least in my experience it will not. Maybe I was just too impatient and I didn't want to wait, but in my experience it doesn't seem to be doing very well in completely inflated tires. But if your tire has even 5 psi on it, then this device will actually inflate it and do a very good job at that. The air inflator comes with as I said, a way to actually charge it with a cigarette power port, or for the old-timers, a cigarette lighter port. This is standard. It comes with a device, and you simply replace the battery with this adapter, and then you have unlimited power when it comes to the charging. It also comes with a charging cable, a fairly standard tip. Focus. There you go. A fairly standard tip. One of the quirks of this device is that in order for it to charge, the battery has to be out of the device. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the charging port right here. So you cannot charge it or power it while you're using it with the battery on the device. If that is a deal breaker for you, then this is one of the negatives that I found for this specific device. The device is not too heavy. It has a very nice screen. It can do bar or PSI, and it can give you a very nice, it has a very nice feel to it. And the battery, again, the battery looks very much like the charging adapter, and it is not very heavy. I'm not sure what type of battery it is, but it seems to be holding its charge quite well. So what are my impressions after owning the device for almost 2 years? So stick around and we're going to discuss it. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this Wednesday quickie, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please share, like, subscribe, and let us know what other content you would like to see in this channel, as we want to provide material that is both informational, educational, and useful to you. From the Garage Wizard, I want to wish you a great week and happy holiday season, and we're going to see you very soon with another bit this weekend. With another bit this weekend. I don't know why I couldn't talk. This is a very A very simple sentence. Again, friends, farewell, enjoy your holiday, and we will see you soon. I like this actually. Thank you.